I'm excited to share the story behind this beautiful instrument's production. As you may know, production is not my favorite thing, but I do enjoy solving problems and developing methods and processes that lead to successful production runs. Solving these issues and developing the methodology and approach are aspects of the work that I enjoy. The monotony of following a set of steps and completing a production run, well, let's just say that's not my cup of tea. Nonetheless, it's work I must do, and that's precisely what we're doing today. We're working on 7 instruments for design theory, and the concentration of today's videos will be CNC neck milling. I'm making these bases for Design Theory's YouTube channel. The content there is very well made and worth checking out, and if you don't follow them already, I'll leave a link in the description. The Design Theory channel features challenging designs that are difficult to CNC mill, making it all the more enjoyable. I often get asked how long it takes to cut the parts, but that's missing the point. The setup work takes significantly longer than the milling, and many aspects of the production process go unnoticed. But I'm committed to finding exciting ways to share it with you. I couldn't even come close to showing all of it, but I'll keep trying to find ways to include it in my content. And if you enjoy this kind of thing, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. It makes a big difference to me and helps grow the channel. I'm trying to tell a story here, and while I usually keep the story close to the design and the process, I might be missing an essential aspect and a part that makes the narrative a lot more interesting. I've been trying to tell these stories in a way that keeps the filmmaker, the narrator, and the maker as a silent and almost hidden factor, and I aim to remedy that mistake. I'm making an effort to show a lot more of the setup work in this one, and while covering all of it would be mind-numbingly dull, I plan to get better at showing this work, going into the details, making the content more educational and more enjoyable to watch. We all like watching a CNC machine skate around a part, slowly defining the shape intended, but there's a lot more to it than just pressing cycle start and sitting back and waiting, and that's what I'm trying to show. I've left out a significant portion of the work here. I developed the stock sizes and thicknesses for the 7 instruments and sanded them to the required thickness ahead of time. Developing the cam for this project took a surprising amount of time. And while I'm happy with the results, there's always room for improvement. I could improve both the surface finish and the machine time. As you all know, I prefer to do the finished work by hand anyway, so it's just not in the cards on this one. Ultimately, the CNC is doing what it does best, milling parts to a consistent size that meets the designer specifications. With the fretboards and necks done, it's time to assemble them, but I'll save that for next time. Thanks for watching.